Welcome to Huson DIY. In today's video we're making some custom baby grows. Okay, so as I mentioned in today's video, using some baby grows, the Cricut Maker 3 and the Easy Press, we're going to put some custom designs onto some baby grows for some presents for a new family member. So I'll come down onto the desk, show you what's going on, show you the designs that I've done on the computer, and we'll get heat pressing. Okay, first of all, the designs, so using Cricut Design Space to make these. So I've done a custom one here, straight out of Yorkshire on there, and then we're going to do some name ones, which I'll show now. But that's the first design we're going to do. I'm probably going to do it like a pink or purple. We'll have a look at the heat transfer vinyl, see what colour will look best. But I just need to open these up, measure the chest area just to work out what's the best size this is for this particular design. So I've got some long, short sleeve bodysuits, long sleeve bodysuits, 5 of each. How many is it? 5 of each. So I'm going to do the same design on both of them, on one of each. Sorry. So I think I've got 4 designs I'll do. So I'll do one of each. So we've got choice across the different types of bodysuits. Okay, just measure in there. I think 10 centimeters, just the probably widest I want to go on these tiny little bodysuits. So we'll do 10 centimeter across. And then the design is a little bit higher than it is wide, I think. So that should be fine, just like a bit of a square kind of image on there. Okay, I'm going to do 2 side by side. I can fit them in 10 centimeters. Got it loaded up here on the standard grip mat. So stick that in with a fine point blade and get that cut. Okay, so that's cut now. Just got to weed that out, so pull some of these letters out, some of the areas out, and then we can use that square. So peel the whole thing off and use a square then just to heat press that on. Next up, got a little Harry Potter design going on. So I'm going to do a few of them because I've got some bibs as well. I can put them on some bibs that look pretty cool. Again, gone with a 10 centimeter width just to make sure they fit nice and snug in the middle of those bodysuits. So we'll weed that and get this done onto black. Gone for black for that one. Okay, that's weeded out there, looking great. Obviously mirrored. When it flips over, we can then heat press down onto the baby grow. So we'll cut this one out now, and I can peel obviously the outside of this off, the bit that's not needed, and we'll get it pressed down onto a baby grow and get one done. Okay, got the Harry Potter design done. What I had to do on that one is do 2 passes over it, so it just made it easier to peel off. Because I did 1 pass and it wouldn't peel, so a second pass, and that just easily peeled off. So I think it's a bit of an obvious tip, but just a couple of passes with that fine point blade makes it easier to peel it off, and that just came off, no problem. So we'll get this onto one of the bodysuits now. Probably do one of the long sleeve ones, and see how that comes out. Okay, they're all done. Looking fantastic. They come out brilliant. That vinyl's just gone on really well. Designs look great. Really, really happy with them. They'll make some great presents. They will. Nice simple designs, nothing over the top. Nice bright colours with the pink and the purple. Really happy with them. Okay, all done and dusted, all looking great. Really happy with the end product there, looking good. So it's first time using the heat press Obviously using the Cricut Maker 3 as well to do the cuts. But really happy with them, how they've come out, and made some great presents they will. So hopefully this video's been good. If it has, give it a thumbs up, give it a like. If not, give it a dislike. Hit that subscribe button to follow along for more projects using the Cricut and other DIY projects.